Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I will place some trade in IQ option platform OTC market. So let's start. Based on two indicators, I will place all my trade today. So one indicator is 5 EMA, another one is 50 EMA. Okay, so I can place a trade here for 1 minute to the downward direction. So I think market will fall down from this area. So let's see what will happen here. So I think I will win this trade. After 1 minute, market will close below my entry point. So let's see what will happen. Yes, this was my winning trade. So this is a doji candle. Market created here a doji candle. So that's why I recommend always try to place your trade by taking margin of safety. If I didn't take margin of safety, I may lose this trade. That's why margin of safety is very, very important in our trading. I am explaining the reason of placing my trade here, why I place my trade here, because previously it was a downtrend market and I took confirmation from these two EMA. One EMA is 50 EMA and another EMA 5 EMA. So when market below the 50 EMA and 5 EMA, so it's a downtrend market. When market start moving below 2 EMS, I immediately place my trade here to the downward direction by taking margin of safety, and I win this trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. Okay, this is USD jar OTC. So in this case, it's a strong candlestick. I can go with the sellers, but it's little late entry. So I think market will close below my entry point. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is my another winning trade. Okay, so I'm explaining the reason of placing my trade here. Market was downtrend market here. Market moving below 50 EMA and 5 EMA, and this candlestick. So we have to know the candlestick psychology. If we know the behavior of this candlestick, then only it's possible to place a sheer short trade. Okay, so this is a strong candlestick with upper rejection. There is no lower rejection here. So if I saw the rejection from this round number level and there is a lower rejection, more possibility market may go up from here, but there is only upper rejection here. That means the pressure from the sell side. That's why I placed my trade here to the downward direction, and after 1 minute market closed below my entry point and it was my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. Okay, so in this case market is now between this 50 EMA and 5 EMA. So if this candle little cross above, so I will place my trade. Okay, market didn't give me any opportunity here. I have to wait for this candlestick. After this candle, I will place my trade. Yes, I placed my trade here to the upper direction for 1 minute. Okay, after closing of this candle, my trade closed in the next candle. So I think market will close above my entry point. So let's see what will happen. Okay, this was my another winning trade. So I'm explaining the reason of placing my trade here. So when market above 50 EMA and below 5 EMA, this area is a very tricky area. So market started to going up from this area and it already created a momentum here. After this pullback, again market started to go up. Okay, so if this candlestick broke this level very strongly, that time market direction will vary perfect. But in this case, this area is a very, very risky area, because what happened, sometimes market got rejected from this 50 EMA and strongly fall down. So but what happened here, it got rejected, but it not create here a strong bearish candlestick. That's why in the next candle I placed my trade taking margin of safety below this round number level. So it's my very safe entry. So if market create here another bearish candlestick, it will create a very weak bearish candlestick. So that's why I placed my trade by taking margin of safety here. Market closed above my entry point and it was my winning trade. So we have to know the logic of each and every trade. Then only we can place a very perfect trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. Okay, if market little go up, I will place my trade in this candle also. But what happened? Market falling down. Okay. Okay, it not give me a perfect entry point. That's why I didn't place my trade in this candle. Okay, I will take my decision after closing of this candle. Okay, I can go with the sellers now. So this is a strong candlestick by the seller side, and there is a support level below here. That means round number level far away from this area. That's why I placed my trade here to the downward direction for 1 minute. I think market will close below my entry point after 1 minute. So let's see what will happen. Okay, this was my another winning trade. So here the logic is market is strongly falling down and it's a strong downtrend market. Why? Market is below 50 EMA and 5 EMA. So when I saw that this Marubozu candlestick here after pullback, so it's a very strong candlestick by the sell side. That's why I placed my trade here immediately to the downward direction. After 1 minute, it closed below my entry point and it was my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. Okay, this is NZD USD and market strongly fall down from this area. There is a support level, round number level here. Okay, so market exactly close at this round number level. I have to wait. No, market didn't give me a perfect entry point. I have to wait for this candlestick. After closing of this candle, I will place my trade. Okay, in this case, I can go with the sellers. After this strong candle, market create here a weak bullish candlestick exactly at the support level. So these bullish candlestick have no mass power to stop the force of the sellers. That's why market will again continue to the same direction. So I think market will close below my entry point. So let's see what will happen. Yes, market create here a bearish candlestick and it was my winning trade. So the logic is same logic. So it is moving below 50 EMA and 5 EMA and it's a strong candlestick exactly close at the support level. After that buyers enter in the market, but it's a very weak buyers. That's why it have no mass power to stop the force of the seller. That's why I immediately placed my trade here to the downward direction for 1 minute. After 1 minute, market closed below my entry point and it was my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. Okay, this is Euro JPY pair OTC market and market is moving in this 50 EMA. This is little dangerous zone, dangerous area, but retracement candlestick I found. Okay. So there is a retracement candlestick after breakout. That's why I placed my trade here to the upper direction. So I think market will go up from this area because it will give us here a bullish candlestick. So let's see what will happen. Yes. So market created here finally market created here a bullish candlestick. So what's the logic why I placed my trade here to the upper direction? So when market broke this 50 EMA, it after breakout there is a retracement candlestick here. So after this retracement candlestick, if market is very strong by the seller side, it will again break this level and fall down. But market create here a bearish candlestick, it not break this 50 EMA again. That's why after this candle, when market came little below, I placed my trade here to the upper direction for 1 minute. After 1 minute, market create here a bullish candlestick and it was my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. Okay, this is USD CSA pair OTC market and market is now moving below 50 and 5 EMA. So it's a sign of continuation. Okay, so I have to wait for a perfect entry point. Okay, market didn't give me any perfect entry point. That's why I have to wait for this candlestick. After this candle, I will place my trade. Okay, I can place my trade here to the downward direction. So it already broke this support level. That's why I placed my trade here to the downward direction. So I think market will give us here another bearish candlestick. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is my another winning trade. So why I place my trade here? Because now market is moving below 50 EMA and 5 EMA, and all of the candlesticks are here bearish candlestick except 5 candlestick here. So that means sellers are so strong. That's why when market break this support level by this candlestick, I placed my trade here to the downward direction, because I know that market will again continue from this area to the downward direction. So that's why I placed my trade here to the downward direction for 1 minute. After 1 minute, it closed below my entry point and it was my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. Okay, this is Euro GBP pair OTC market, and market condition is not so good here. Okay, I can go with the sellers now. There is a strong reason here. So market already came to this extreme sellers entry point area. After that, sellers again entered in the market. That's why it will fall down from this area. So let's see what will happen. Yes, this is my another winning trade. So this market condition was not so good here. But what happened when market came to this round number level, market already created here a bearish candlestick, and previously it was a strong seller entry point area. So this bearish candle was my confirmation. So when I saw market already created here a bearish candlestick, so I immediately placed my trade here to the downward direction. So after 1 minute, market closed below my entry point and it was my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. Okay, this is Euro USD pair OTC market, and market condition is not so good here. And market is now moving below 50 and 5 EMA. So I need a perfect entry point. So this is a sign of bad market. That's why I need a perfect opportunity. Okay, I can place my trade here to the downward direction for 1 minute, because I took margin of safety here, because market is so volatile here. So I think market must close below my entry point. So let's see what will happen. Yes, this is my another winning trade. So basically, in this type of market, we will face entry point problem. So that's why when market condition is like this type of, don't place any trade in this type of market. It's very dangerous. It's a very risky market. So how I place my trade here? So when market cross this 5 EMA, then only I entered in the market to the downward direction, because although market is so volatile, but it's slowly falling down. Market is moving below 50 EMA and 5 EMA. That's why the pressure is now to the sell side. That's why I placed my trade by taking margin of safety. It's a huge margin of safety here. So try to avoid this type of market. But if anybody plays any trade in this type of market, try to take this type of entry point. It's a very safe zone. Basically, I placed all my trade based on candlestick psychology using this 50 EMA and 5 EMA. So based on candlestick psychology and using 50 EMA and 5 EMA, I placed all my trades here, and all my trades are winning trade. If anybody want that their result will like this type of, their trading result will like this type of, they must learn first all the deep knowledge of the market, candlestick psychology, OTC market logic, the use of indicators. Then only anybody can expect this type of result from the market. If anybody want to learn price action, VSS, CWRV, Forex, Delta River, candlestick psychology, contact me by Telegram at the rate TRUSTEDBNRY and WhatsApp plus 880174177886. So thanks for watching my videos.